to everyone. In morning, every mother is in a rush to prepare the best tiffin for the school going children. But here is the solution. Here's the mighty solution, that is Nutritos. In all the tiffins, every time it is loaded with junk food that leads to obesity and poor health. So, what is Nutritos? What is Nutritos? In the present scenario, the most concerned moms also fail somehow to give the best nutrition to their kids. Nutritos takes away all the food worries and gives the best yet tasty solution. Nutritos plate the future of our country. The name of value. Please, sorry. The name of value, Nutritos. We are known for raising the food awareness to the children. Age appropriate plate. We provide the appropriate plates according to their age and cleanliness. Best intermediate products used and trained cooks. Impressive customized plates and right food at right time. So before starting the obesity or trending disease, I would like to tell that Nutrito in all the private schools there is no every student bring their lunch, and that time their mothers are very busy, so sometimes they cannot provide lunch, so they go at canteen and eat their lunch, and that is junk food. So that time we provide a nutritious food so that they can have, and that will be for everyone in the school. So obesity is a trending disease. School kids consume highly deficient in vitamins and minerals, but loaded with carbohydrates and sugar. Nutritos takes away all the food worries and gives the best yet tasty solution with its Nutritos plate. The future of our country, straight at the schools and fresh and nutritive plate. Our team, Gagan Goyal, delivery in charge, Mahim Tiwari, CEO, and Himanshu Vaishnav, finance. Now over Himanshu.
Thank you, Mahim. Did you pack best tiffin for your school-going kids? Working parents with 9 to 9 jobs leave the moms and dads tired when they try to cook best and nutritive diet for their kids. Or kids resort to canteen and junk food with a worsening impact on their health. Zomato and Swiggy provides quick mouth-watering stuff, but nutritive value not sure. Our company provides quick mouth-watering stuff, but top-notch nutritive value. We know you have too much on your plate. Nutritos plate is here to bring a smile on your face and good health for your kids. Analysis strengths, strength, strength, strengths. Despite being nutritive, Nutritos plate is wholesome. Opportunity. Consuming healthy food would soon be an easy trend among all ages. Weakness. Delivery may suffer a delay in congested area due to traffic jams. Threats. Businesses like food chains may imitate the idea. Over overplate overplate contains fruit bonanza, Nutritos salad, fruit juice, curd, yogurt, brown rice, vegetable curry, and chapati. Over to Gagan.
Thank you, Imanshu. Our plans is for the one student says monthly that we provide a movie and there is no newspaper. In quarterly, we provide movie, and there is also newspapers, and we gave Nutrito's kitchen tour. In annually, we provide 5 free movies ticket and newspapers, and we gave Nutrito's kitchen tour. Reviews: yummy food with a balance. Nutrito's plate is just right for me. Our team's target is 5 to 18 year school kids. Now over Mahim.
Thank you, Gagan. Our competitors are Swiggy and Zomato. Swiggy and Zomato don't provide service at school, but Nutito, we provide service at school. Swiggy and Zomato do they provide healthy food? Not sure, but we provide top priority food. Now over Himanshu.
Over business module, we provide nutrition, fresh and a balanced diet, and save the time of mothers. Over predicted growth, Nutrito's expenses. Nutritos is a nation-friendly venture to improve the quality of population. Parents across the country would love to trust Nutritos to easy a common man so high prospects.
Thank you, everyone. If do you have any questions, you can contact us at info@nutritos.com. This is our mail ID. Our number is 130-284-734. Our website is www.nutritos.com. Thank you.
Can I ask you questions here or will I have to email you the same?
Sir, you can email us.